Hello, you guys, and welcome January 2023. Isn't it crazy that it's already a new year? I feel like 2022 went super fast to a point where I couldn't keep up. I am helping with designing for the flavors of the month portion now for the scrap room. Super excited. So I'm going to play with Bella Boulevard. We're doing Bella Boulevard today. So for an official unboxing of all the flavors of the month kit, the double shot kit and all that good stuff, make sure you check out the links down below, the official unboxing videos. I love watching those. But I will show you everything that comes in the Bella Boulevard kit this month. This is part of the flavors of the month kit. You always get 2 pieces of cardstock, 3 pattern papers, and some embellishments. And they will vary in this kit because you get a sprinkling a little bit of everything from the collection. So Bella Boulevard, our love song. Super cute. This first paper is not this one. Well, this one is Crazy for You. This beautiful floral pattern in the background and this gorgeous red and pink polka dot. This is definitely gearing up for Valentine's Day. Then you get Your Dream, which I love this black and white polka dot, but the polka dots are hearts. Love that. And this fantastic rainbow. And then this one I think is my favorite. The bold, colorful, striped Love Notes is the paper. And there's music notes on the back side. This one's Calling My Name. We're going to cut this apart as well as trim down my photos to be the same width. And we're going to do something fun with that. But that is my plan. And then you get 2 pieces of black cardstock with this. Basil black. It's Blackbird. I love this color. It almost has a blue tinge to it, but it's not. It's black. So awesome cardstock. And then these are going to vary. Some of these will, but you will get 2 Doodlebug Lily White doilies. So there's 2 beautiful doilies. Ooh, I may have, no, maybe not. See, I may have gotten a third. This one looks a little thick. Maybe not. This one's just very thin compared to the other one. So 2 doilies. You get a row, I should say, of Craft Consortium rhinestones. So these might be very, very well the same, but a row of Craft Consortium rhinestones to go with your collection. And these are going to vary. Some of the ephemera pieces from Doodlebug. All will vary in each kit. I'm going to punch out my little circles from my XOXOXO. I love that. I got XOXO. I got Kiss. And this will vary. So that's what's fun too, is like you might get some of the same things I did. You might not. I Love You More Than My Favorite Song. Oh, that's cute. This one says Love, Love, Love. I've got some flowers. This one says Playlist. Since it's Love Song is the name of the collection, there's a lot of music themed things, but there's a lot of things that are not. My favorite little notes. Banner, some more flowers. Ooh, I got like a decent amount of flowers this time. Let's Roll, that's cute. You Make My Heart Sing, and then this cute little tag. I'm gonna punch the hole out so you can see better. Perfect. Look at all my fun goodness. All right, so I'm gonna get to cutting apart this sheet and trimming down my photos, and then I'll show you what I'm gonna do. Hey guys! Okay, so I have trimmed out my stripes, which are about 2 inches thick. So I trimmed my photos to 2 inches as well. And then I matted all 5 of those things on black cardstock, the black cardstock that came in the kit. So now I'm grabbing some white cardstock from my stash, and I'm gonna arrange these lovely photos on here, and we're gonna have like a tight square around them. Was the plan. Yeah. Since you read left to right. I want these close enough to each other that we can trim it and still get a black border around this also. I want these all at different heights. Was the plan. Okay, I really like that. That's cute. Yeah. That looks kind of like a castle. Don't want it to look like a castle. Okay. So now Yeah, I think this one just needs to be rehung. Well, looks like they probably all need to be rehung, but you know, they're all a little crooked. We'll go a little less on this. Okay, because then that can sit right here. Nice black outline around that. Yep. Which, me cutting it straight isn't really the answer either, because I can't cut straight. If someone paid me $1 million, I'd probably do worse if someone said, I'll pay you $1 million if you can cut this straight. Yeah, yeah. Now we can put this away. See, and then this can sit over that. And then this can go across up top. I love it. Okay. Yay. Okay. Base of layout is done. I'm not going to use my doodle pops, I don't think. But I know what else I'm going to use. I'm not going to use my doilies. I'm going to use the XOXO. Maybe some of the flowers and the gems and the roll on. I don't think we'll use the tag, but I do want to use, yeah, this XOXO. Do I do the flower? Big one down here. I just don't want it to get in my title. All right, and then finishing touches, maybe some gems, maybe just some black enamel or Nouveau drops. Yeah. Honestly, I think that's what we're gonna do. It's just some black Nouveau drop. Popping up a couple things on foam. So I popped up this flower, and then we're just gonna pop up this love, love, love on foam. I just got some tiny foam squares from scrapbook.com. I kind of like that it goes onto the white. Okay. All right, and I think that's done then. So let's get some Nouveau drops going. Need a little scrap. It's like, luckily, I wanted a giant one over there. Yeah. Didn't ruin my time, air bubbles. And then I'll journal right there. And that'll be it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go check out the Flavors of the Month kits. Subscribe, or even just do it once. Try it out for this month or next month if they're still available this month. And I highly recommend it. And check out the Facebook group for all the challenges. Do all that fun stuff. And yeah, I appreciate you a lot. We'll see you next time.